How is the going, guys? Mutemoya back again with another video. So guys, in today's video we're doing different light setup. We're doing 1 light setup, 2 light setup, 3 light setup, and 4 light setup, set in different ways. And our model today is Gigi. Yeah, so guys, for the camera setup we're using EOS R5, and we have the Sigma 85 1.4 adapted, and we also have the camera tethered to our Mac Pro. It's connected to Lightroom, so we'll get to see the images in real life so that we can know whether our colors are perfect and everything is looking nice, right? And our main light, we're starting with the 1 light setup, and our main light is the AD600, and attached this, I think it's 80 centimeters beauty dish attached to it. So let's go and let's take our first shot and see how it looks. So what I'll do, I'll turn off my trigger, so I need to make sure there's no any natural light coming through. So I have to either change the shutter speed, change the aperture, adjust or reduce the ISO to as low as possible, and make sure there is no light coming in, because I just need to use my main light. So testing, just raising the aperture to like 7.1. See, let me see. Okay, you can see the image is really dark. The only light we have is the video light, and I really don't think that will affect our images. So I'll just turn on my trigger and set the main light. Let's see, testing, 1, 2. Nice one. This looks really nice. Okay, testing, 1, 2. Perfect, 1, 2. And guys, you can see we have this reflector right here. So what the light is doing, it's coming from this softbox, hitting the reflector and going back to the model. That is, we don't have so much shadows under the model's face. So let's go. I think the lighting looks nice. I just need to increase the aperture slightly and just darken the image slightly. Beautiful, nice one, I like that. So 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Nice one. 1, 2. Perfect. Let's continue. I'll try to take kama hizo 3/4 shots and also take edge shots, and then tuende full tutaenda the more tunaongeza the light setups. So feel free. Perfect. Nice one. 2. Perfect. All right. So guys, for the camera settings, we have shutter speed of 1/200, aperture of f5.6, and ISO of 100. And we have really, you can see how the image, the light is well exposed. So I think this is what we are working with. So let's continue. So do as many poses as possible, play around with the hands, and yeah, tukikuja kwa headshots, I'll tell you what to do. Let's go. 1, 2. Beautiful. 1, 2. Nice one. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Nice one. Using an AD400 as the backlight, and you can see it is attached to this strip box, and it has this grid right here. The reason for the grid is to reduce the amount of light coming through the strip box. So I'll set them in same line as the main light. So let me show you. I'll make sure they are in same line as this main light right here. Okay, and because we're taking full images, I'll have to use this reflector right here to just fill the shadows on the floor. Songa inside kidogo tu. Yeah. Ebu pause here. Okay. 2 light setup. Let me just do a testing shot. See if I have to change the settings. Perfect. So all lights are set to same settings, 1.8, 1/8, 1/8. So guys, Gigi, let's continue. 1, 2, testing. Yeah, testing. This looks really nice. I just need to increase the lighting. 1, 2. Nice one. That's really nice. That's really nice. Yeah, 1, 2. Beautiful. 1, 2. Beautiful. That's really nice. Yeah. Nice one. Nice one. Love that. Beautiful. 1, 2. Beautiful. 1, 2. Nice one. 1, 2. Okay. Perfect. So guys, we're still working with 3 light setups, and you can see I've attached this optical snoot to these lights, and you can see it's casting these nice effects here in the background. Just need to add more depth in the image, and I'm only using these 2 lights to hit the model, and that's 1 light to hit the background. The reason we have let's say turned off these lights is because we just need to see if the effects look nice on the background before we start with the shoot, or we continue with the shoot. So let's go. I'm going to try it. Yeah, Eva. Perfect. Beautiful. Nice one. It's really nice. I just feel 1, 2. Beautiful. 1, 2. Nice one. 1, 2. Perfect. Last one. And okay. That's all for today. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you learned something from today. The reason we have done just 3 light setups because our 4th light we forgot to charge it. But yeah, hope you learned something. You can use as many light modifiers as possible. We have used the optical snoot, we have used the strip box, and we also have used the beauty dish. Hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something, and see you in the next video.